Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In the last video, we learned about states and props in React components. And in this video, we are going to talk about the functions, how to call up a parent function from a child component and how to call a function from a child component from its parent component. So let's get started. So in this video, we'll be needing two components, a parent and its child component. So we will be using our functional component for that. So once I open up my functional component, so this will become our parent component. So here we will add a label of parent component. So now we are going to create a new functional component which we will be using as a child component. Let's create that. Open a new file, save that as child component.js, import React, define a function, return JSX, export it, we'll create a variable as well, const child name, change child name, use state I am child. So we will display this variable as well. So child name. Now we will import this child component to this functional component. So here import child component from child component, and we will display this child component inside this functional component. So now we will see the updated UI. So here we can see that we have a parent component into which we have this variable and a update button, and in the child we have this variable. So first what we are going to do is we are going to call a parent function from a child component. For that we have to pass this function as a prop to a child component. So how to do that? Simply how we pass a prop. Here we will say call parent function and we will pass the function we want to call from our child, that is update state. Now in the child component, first we will get the props and we will try to call the function from the prop from this component. So we will add a button, call parent function, and we will call the parent function from here. So on click we will attach a function of that prop. So prop dot call parent function. So what will happen over here? So we will click the button in the child component which will trigger the function in the parent component. Let's change this header to div and see the changes on the UI. So here we can see that parent component have this variable and the child component have this button. So on click of this button we will update the state in the parent component. So you can see that the state of the name in the parent component has been updated through the child component. Now we are going to do a vice versa. So we are going to call a child component function from its parent. So for that we are going to create a reference for a child component, and we are going to use that reference in the parent component to call the function of the child component. Sounds complicated, but it's easy to implement. Let's do that. So for that we have to use some hooks. We have to import forward ref. First we are going to wrap our child component with this forward ref. That will create an access for this component from another component. To create a reference, we have to pass the second parameter as reference which we want to create. So here we are going to use ref. Now we are going to expose our function which we want to trigger from the parent component. So for that we are going to use another hook, which is use imperative handle. So that we are going to use inside our component use imperative handle, into which we have to pass two parameters. First is the reference which we have created, and the second the function which we want to call from the other components. So here we are going to define that function called child function. So here we can update the child name, new value. Now we will go back to our parent component and we'll try to access this. So here we have to create a reference of the child component and I have to use that. So for that we have to use reference hook, use ref hook, and in our component we have to create a reference for the child. So here we will be defining const child ref equals to use ref. So a normal reference has been created here, and then I'm going to attach this reference to the child component. So here I'm going to write ref equals to child ref. Now in order to call the expose function from the child component, we have to use this child ref. And what we are going to do is to trigger a function of a child component from this parent component button. So here we have to write child ref dot current dot name of the function which we have exposed in the child component, which is called child function. So now we will go to UI to see the changes. So here we have parent component, child component, and we are going to update the child component variable from a parent component. So we will click the button in the parent component and we will see the change. So you can see that the child is updated to new value from the parent component. I hope this video have given you idea about how to call a function of a component from its parent or a child component. If you have learned something from this video, do like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video to whoever wants to learn React. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.